XRP is among the cryptocurrencies with which you can now buy gift cards and use them on the Amazon e-commerce giant, thanks to the BitPay crypto payments provider. Ripple keeps expanding the scale of XRP use. Now, the BitPay crypto payment service that offers its customers a wallet and gift cards that can be purchased with various coins has made it possible to buy Amazon cards with XRP. This has taken place after BitPay partnered with Ripple's expiring in October last year. If you want to know more, then keep on watching. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Jeff Bezos on confirming the use of XRP by Amazon. Ripple XRP is a cryptocurrency that's designed for use on Ripple's network to rapidly transfer money between merchants and buyers who use different currencies. Ripple Labs, an American technology company, created RippleNet as a platform that banks and financial institutions use to transfer XRP quickly and internationally at a lower price. Merchants, payees, and banks can transfer their local currency to XRP, send coins to a local gateway, and transfer back the XRP to the merchant's accepted currency. This shortens transfer times and reduces fees for banks who may not have a direct relationship with a foreign institution, as long as they are both on the Ripple network. Before we move on, make sure to like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now for more videos like this one. Going back, how does Ripple work? Ripple relies on independent computers around the world to monitor the history of each coin by maintaining a ledger of transactions. This is similar to how other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum work. Since it's not kept in a central location, this ledger style is called a decentralized ledger system. This decentralized system allows for increased transparency that banks rely on to send XRP to other registered financial institutions around the world. Now, banks can enjoy the benefit of a larger financial network, which they may not have had in the past. For example, if a merchant in Prague wanted to sell a good or service priced in Czech koruna or CZK to someone who uses the New Zealand dollar or NZD, there may not be banks in these countries who have a direct relationship with each other. The traditional way of transferring money would have been by passing funds through a network of banks, taking up time and collecting fees along the way. Ripple allows a bank or gateway to streamline the process by exchanging the pair's local currency into XRP, Ripple's digital currency. It can then be changed back to the merchant's local currency just seconds later when it arrives at the receiver's gateway or kept as XRP. Now, Amazon is accepting XRP. A co-founder of Cashier Inc. and a member of the Michigan Peace and Liberty Coalition, Tiffany Hayden reported the news on Twitter over the weekend. This was then retweeted by Tony Galippi, co-founder of BitPay. The BitPay wallet and crypto payments processor announced its partnership with the investment subdivision of Ripple expiring. Back then, XRP was added to the list of digital currencies BitPay works with. However, now it has been reported that the following week, the company will start selling gift cards, which can be used on Amazon for the third biggest cryptocurrency, XRP. This is another step Ripple has taken recently towards the mass adoption of the XRP coin. The gift cards give crypto holders an easy way to spend their digital assets at a long list of major retailers and restaurants, including Amazon, Burger King, DoorDash, Domino's, GameStop, and Home Depot. BitPay's main service is designed to offer companies and individuals an easy way to accept cryptocurrency payments as well as store their crypto assets. The company added support for XRP payments back in October after partnering with Ripple. BitPay Director of Product Sean Rowland says the speed and scalability of XRP set it apart from most crypto assets on the market. BitPay customers are leveraging the promise of blockchain payment technology, and with XRP can offer a payment option that is fast, cost-effective, and scalable. The addition of XRP as the next blockchain asset supported by BitPay expands blockchain choices across the payment space. Although its gift card service is targeted to the US, BitPay says it processes crypto payments in more than 200 countries around the world. Amazon Pay is a very popular and widely used online payment method. Worldwide, many retailers and online retailers have chosen Amazon Pay as the payment method, and the latest partnership could significantly expand merchant opportunities. Amazon's partnership with WorldPay has caught the attention of many Ripple fans. The XRP Army expects Amazon to move one step closer to implementing XRP or one of its systems. Indeed, WorldPay was recently acquired by the US fintech company Fidelity National Information Services Inc. or FIS. You're probably wondering whether Amazon will accept other assets in the future. Amazon may also allow other users to pay in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin soon as the e-commerce giant is hiring a digital currency and blockchain product lead for its payments team. According to the job listing 5 months ago, Amazon's payments acceptance and experience team is seeking an experienced product leader to develop Amazon's digital currency and blockchain strategy and product roadmap. You will leverage your domain expertise in blockchain, distributed ledger, central bank digital currencies, and cryptocurrency to develop the case for the capabilities which should be developed, drive overall vision and product strategy, and gain leadership buy-in and investment for new capabilities, the company posted. The product lead will work closely with teams across Amazon, including AWS, to develop the roadmap for the customer experience, technical strategy and capabilities, as well as the launch strategy. A company spokesperson told Insider that it was inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon. So, what will be the fate of XRP for this month? One of the crypto assets performing great this year in terms of providing a seamless payment gateway experience is Ripple. Lately, Ripple has launched a new project on its RippleNet called Line of Credit. This project is a beta service that enables Ripple customers to acquire funds easily, and then they can start financing their cross-border projects using XRP tokens. Furthermore, Ripple has recently partnered with Lemonway, a payment gateway in Europe for online marketplaces. This partnership is said to improve payment transactions between euro, and other currencies supported by Lemonway. Ripple price analysis. XRP trades at $1.23 with a 24-hour trading volume of 4,932,536,647. However, the price of XRP has decreased by 2.25% in the last 24 hours. Furthermore, XRP has a current circulating supply of 47.08 billion XRP. Currently, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for XRP are Binance, Huobi Global, OKX, FTX, and Mandala Exchange. XRP USD has mirrored the results of its major counterparts the past month of trading. However, the highs made in November only came within shouting distance of values seen in September near the 1.41000 level. And when the long-term one-year chart is looked at, Ripple has not been able to catch the same amount of speculative fever like its other major counterparts. The high for 2021 was put in during the second week of April, when XRP USD flirted with 2.00000 mark. If XRP USD falls below the 1.00000 mark and sustains value below this juncture and the 90 cents mark is challenged again, it could set off some alarm bells among bearish speculators. XRP USD seemingly has not been able to garner the same amount of speculative flavor as its major counterparts the past few months of trading. While its results have mirrored other major cryptos the past month, there seems to be a technically bearish tone to XRP USD. If the 90 cents ratio were to falter, it's conceivable that Ripple could then flirt with 85 and 80 cents levels relatively easily. Speculative bullish traders who believe XRP or USD will again capture upside momentum should monitor the 1.10000 mark. While in the short term, the 1.05000 level is important. Only if the 1.10000 ratio is penetrated higher can be a bullish mode be considered legitimate. If XRP USD is able to break above this level and sustain price action, traders could not be blamed for thinking the 1.20000 and 1.25000 price realms are sincere targets. Now, is XRP worth buying now? One of the biggest challenges for traders and investors is whether or not to invest in XRP. It is far cheaper than most of the other cryptocurrencies in the overall crypto market at its current rate. This makes it accessible and easy to buy for many investors and suitable for mass adoption and informational purposes. But in terms of returns, can one say it's worth it? The next 5 to 10 years prediction did not position it as the best investment in the market. After all, it will only increase by 5 times or 6 times in the next 5 years in the best case scenarios. But a value of less than $1 doesn't look so bad, and the demand is good. The benefits it seems to offer, such as the speed of transactions and low charges, would make it look like a good investment with more potential for institutional backing and development soon. So, what can you say about XRP being part of Amazon now? Should you try it? Let's know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.